Status check, pressurization. Locks tanking.
Have a blinking high level light.
You are go. Water systems.
Go.
Range operations.
Clear to launch.
Mercury capsule. Go. All pre-start panel lights are correct. The ready light is on. Eject Mercury umbilical. Oil evacuate.
Mercury umbilical clear.
All recorders too fast. T-minus 18 seconds and counting engine start.
Neither we would be with you, Thomas.
Good Lord, ride all the way.
Godspeed, John Glenn. 10, 9, 8, 7.
Over 5 decades ago, brave men and women, including John Glenn, launched America's space program. Part of Project Mercury, Glenn's flight set the stage for Projects Gemini and Apollo during the 1960s and all later U.S. human spaceflight activities. His Friendship 7 mission was a capstone event and the beginning of many more achievements in human spaceflight, which continues to be the greatest adventure of mankind. Hello, my name is Mark Calhoun. As a young boy interested in science and engineering, I was inspired by anything and everything that had to do with space exploration. In July 1969, I held my breath along with the rest of the nation as Neil Armstrong and Buzz Aldrin walked on the surface of the moon. The technology that got us there and back safely is nothing short of amazing. As a space enthusiast, I recently acquired a replica Mercury capsule, which has ignited a personal desire to share how this technology has changed a nation. It is my hope to inspire a new generation of space enthusiasts as they seek and explore their own path in science, technology, engineering, art and design, and math. A national hero and symbol of American ambition, John Glenn became the first American to orbit the Earth in his Friendship 7 Mercury capsule, which is on display at the Smithsonian's National Air and Space Museum in Washington, D.C. He said, "The most important thing we can do is inspire young minds to advance in science, math, and education. If we do so, youngsters will be the economic engines that propel America to a brighter future." The capsule I own was built by McDonnell Douglas Aircraft in 1962 specifically for educational outreach. During that summer, it toured a portion of our nation as part of the Department of Treasury's Freedom Bond campaign. It was further displayed at the 1964-65 New York World's Fair. With your help, I will restore this capsule to all its glory and take it on the road again, this time to elementary schools, high schools, colleges, and other centers of learning. The human mind, brain power, imagination, and ingenuity truly is what got us into space, along with a healthy dose of willpower and bravery. Technology is constantly evolving, and although we've come monumentally far since 1962, still, it's important for us to remember our roots. That's why I not only want to restore the exterior of the capsule, but the interior components as well. I have a 4-phase plan. The first objective is to rebuild the instrument panel. The LEDs will interface with a software program which replicates portions of John Glenn's Friendship 7 mission. Next, with the control panel, we will build and sync an interactive flight sequence from liftoff to splashdown. Every indicator on the panel will duplicate what John Glenn saw as he circled the globe at more than 17,000 miles per hour with the hopes and dreams of the nation riding on his shoulders. In the third phase, we will introduce working instrumentation in all the gauges so they mimic the actual flight in geolocation, airspeed, and altitude. And finally, of course, we will mount the restored operational capsule on a trailer and hit the road, bringing this historic part of the space program to you. Through this effort, I hope to motivate our youth to pursue careers in science, technology, engineering, art and design, and mathematics, with the goal of inspiring young people to reach for the stars in all they do. All of this takes resources, and that's why I need your help. Your financial support will help restore this vital tool for learning and preserve the legacy of the pioneering men and women who launched us into the greatest adventure of mankind. Thank you very much for your support.